kids, at times we have heard that, if we are wise, we can actually get a lot of things in our life. Let us see, does wisdom help this poor man in this story? The story's title is The Necklace. The Necklace. Once there was a landlord. He was cruel and merciless. Moreover, he despised the poor people. There were hardly any people he liked. The laborers who worked on his farms were no exception. मतलब उसके अपने फार्म पे जो काम करते थे उनको भी लाइक नहीं करता था. He didn't like them to come near him. He had given explicit instructions to his guards to drive away any poor people who might try to come near him on any pretext whatsoever. दो नए words. Explicit मतलब clear instructions. Pretext बहाना मतलब किसी बहाने से भी कोई पुअर लेबरर्स भी उसके नज़दीक ना आए. ये क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी हुई थी उसने अपने गार्ड्स को. It was the reason that the guards were always alert to not allow any person from coming near the gate of the large house even. One day, the laborers finished their work on the farms and started to go back home. 3 of them walked side by side. The first named Kishan said, I haven't seen the landlord any time. Does he live in that big house? He lives right there, but he would not allow any people to come near him. Of course, I was lucky enough to be standing beside him when he went out in the coach the other day, said the other farmer named Govind. That's nothing, pouted the third named Prem. I touched him on the hand when he stooped knee deep below the idol in the temple. मतलब आपस में क्या वो बातें कर रहे हैं. वो मेरे साइड पे खड़ा था, मैंने तो उसको छुआ भी. किशन ने क्या कहा? What use is it to be near him or touch him in the crowd? said Kishan. If you put a bet, I can drink a toast with him. हैरानी की बात है ना, जो अपने पास भी ऐसे लोगों को फटकने नहीं देता, उसके लिए किशन ने कहा शर्त लगाते हो कि मैं उसके साथ वाइन पी सकता हूँ. That's impossible, retorted Govind. You can't even see him properly, said Prem. You will be simply driven away if you happen to be at the entrance of his house even, remarked Govind. If you think I can't do that, why don't you put a bet? Challenged Kishan. Govind and Prem said together, that's done. They settled 3 sacks of grain for the bet. Govind and Prem jeered and sneered, taunted and remarked at Kishan, who walked beside them unwavered. किशन को पूरा यकीन था कि वो ये बेट जीत जाएगा. अगर जीत जाता तो क्या मिलता? 3 बोरे अनाज से भरे हुए. लेकिन गोविंद और प्रेम को यकीन था कि ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता, इसलिए उसका बड़ा मजाक उड़ाया. In the evening, Kishan went to the castle. The guard at the entrance was very alert. He pointed the spear at his chest and shouted, "Go back! I am here with something very important for the landlord. If you take me before him, he would certainly reward you," said Kishan confidently. The guard looked at him in disbelief, but greed took over him. लालच तो लालच है. He asked him to wait there itself. He went inside to seek the landlord's permission. The landlord could hardly believe that a poor man could have something important to tell him. So, pondering over the matter for a while, he finally permitted the guard to bring Kishan before him. He asked, "What is that so important news that you have brought me?" अब क्यूरियोसिटी तो लैंडलॉर्ड को भी थी कि ऐसी क्या इम्पोर्टेंट बात हो सकती है. "Sir," whispered Kishan, "what I am about to tell you is very secret. you would certainly like to listen to it in private. Curiosity of the landlord heightened further. मेरी भी curiosity बढ़ रही है भाई. He ordered the servants to leave. Then he said, "Tell me now." "Sir, I want to know the cost of a necklace 200 grams heavy, studded with a sapphire as big as my fist," said Kishan. 200 तोले का सोने का हार और उसमें इतना मोटा सफायर एक ज्वेल है, वो लगा हो, ऐसे हार की कीमत क्या होगी? The landlord wanted to burst out asking if it was only this much. But on second thoughts, he thought that Kishan possessed such a necklace. If he had it, he could buy it very cheap. Ostensibly, he said, "Why do you want to know it?" Ostensibly पता है? मतलब ऊपर से दिखाने के लिए, दिखावे के लिए उसने पूछा, "Why do you want to know it?" लालच बड़ी अजीब चीज़ है. पहले तो ऑब्वियसली लैंडलॉर्ड को यकीन ही नहीं हुआ कि ये इतना गरीब सा किसान क्यों जानना चाहता है इतने एक्सपेंसिव सोने के जेवर के बारे में. लेकिन जो ग्रीड है उसने उसको क्या सोचने पे मजबूर किया, शायद इसके पास ऐसा नेकलेस हो, अगर है तो मैं बहुत ही सस्ते में इससे ले लूँगा. "Well, sir, if you don't want to tell me, let me go, for I cannot force you to tell," said Kishan. "I am in a hurry also. My wife is waiting for me for the dinner. As it is, I am very hungry because I have not eaten my lunch today." Now greed got the better of the landlord. He forgot all his hatred that he so vehemently practiced against all the poor people all his life. भूल गया कि अब तक की अपनी पूरी जिंदगी वो इन्हीं गरीब लोगों के अगेंस्ट कितना हेट्रेड रखता था. "You need not go back home," said he. "I will arrange for your dinner right here." The landlord then called in his servants and ordered them to serve the finest dinner that Kishan might have ever tasted. Kishan interrupted, "Thank you for your kind grace, but I don't eat dinner without having liquor in my stomach. Alcohol के बिना मैं खाना नहीं खाता." The landlord quickly ordered his servants to bring good quality wine. It was served immediately and the dinner was brought soon after. Whenever the landlord tried to speak, Kishan signaled that he was not used to speaking while eating. कितना clever था ना? Kishan drank and ate to his fill. He was intoxicated after 4 drinks of fine quality wine, and at that he feigned to be senseless. 2 नए words आए हैं. Intoxicated. कोई भी अल्कोहल पी कर के जब नशा हो जाता है उसको कहते हैं इंटॉक्सिकेशन. और दूसरा वर्ड क्या आया? फेंट. प्रिटेंड करना, नाटक करना. However hard the landlord tried to bring him to the topic of the necklace, he would feign ignorance and utter irrelevant statements and words beyond his comprehension. तो जब भी ये लैंडलॉर्ड उससे कुछ भी नेकलेस के बारे में पूछता तो किशन क्या करता? प्रिटेंड करता कुछ भी और कुछ भी अनाप शनाप बोलता. इससे क्या हुआ? The landlord too thought it better to ask him in the morning when he was not drunk. तो लैंडलॉर्ड को लगा कि सुबह जब ये सोबर होगा, नशे में नहीं होगा, तभी इससे नेकलेस के बारे में बात करेंगे. In the morning, when Kishan was summoned by the landlord, he said, "Sir, I wanted to know its cost just for the fun of it. How can you imagine a poor man like me to possess so precious a necklace?" All that the landlord could do was to say a few harsh words. It was the first time that he had not ordered his guards to punish a mischief maker. And you know it well that Kishan was now richer by 3 sacks of grain that he won in the bet. Now he was known to be the man who kept his word always. देख रहे हैं, जो सेठ गरीब लोगों को अपने पास भी नहीं फटकने देता था। लालच की वजह से अपने साथ बिठा करके ना ही उसको अच्छा खाना खिला रहा है, ड्रिंक पिला रहा है, लेकिन वो समझ ही नहीं पाया कि कैसे किशन ने उसका बेवकूफ़ बना दिया।